What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at the secret auction location for another walk around. Let's jump into this today with number one on my list, a Ford Raptor with lights. It's got light bars and light cubes all over it. What year is it? It's a 2013 with 100,000 miles. She got some big Toyo open country tires and some KMC wheels. What size are these bad boys? They are 22s, 35 by 12.5 by 22. This has got the 6.2 liter V8, not the bi-turbo V6. I'm just not a big fan of the twin turbo V6 personally. If I'm going to get something like this, I'd prefer it to have a V8, but that's probably just me. This is a beautiful truck. You got the lights down here as well. Let's see what the bed looks like. Oh, she's been used. She's been used. So it's a work truck. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Let's check out the interior real quick. Tires are decent. Oh, gross. I wouldn't buy it because of this right here. Do you see all the shine? Ugh, that's grease. Somebody greased up the whole interior. I hate that. I hate that. Yeah, that's probably stupid. Who put the stickers, really? Oh my goodness. Well, someone really enjoyed it, I suppose. I almost hate climbing in it because anything I touch is going to get grease all over my hands. What kind of lights we got on? Anything? Got an exhaust leak. I don't see any warning lights on though, so that's good. Air conditioning. It's there. Looks like we got some buttons down here for lights, like a little fob for turning on your lights, changing colors maybe on the interior. I'm sure it goes into gear. Yeah. Forward and backward. A little bit rattly. She's got some rattly stuff going on. Let's see what we got for, there we go. All that grease. Important window works. Brakes feel good. Steering feels good. Air conditioning could be better, but you know, it's like 105 degrees today, so I guess you can't really complain too much. We'll turn it on. It's on max AC. Okay, well, it's on. I've got everything turned as low as it goes, man. There we go. There we go. There it goes. Oh, that's much better. That's much better. Let's pop the hood. Take a look at that 6.2, and I'm going to tell you guys something. I thought long ago, I know better now, but long ago I thought that the 6.2 was a supercharged engine. I had no idea until I actually started looking at one of these for myself. Oh, come on. That these were naturally aspirated. I really did. I thought they were supercharged, but nope, they're not. They're NA. She runs like a top. Again, more grease under the hood here. Good sign. It has an Optima yellow top battery, so someone put a little money into the battery. I know how much those are. Put one in the Viper recently. Looks like we got an added horn here, a Wolo, whatever that means. She got some cube lights down here, and then you got your light bar right here. I'm covered in grease. I hate this. My hands are so greasy now. Overall runs well. I think, if I remember right, this thing went for $14,000, which I thought was an excellent deal, but I don't think they sold it. I don't believe they let it go for that, and I don't think I could really blame them. This is it's well used. I would say well loved, but it's definitely a well used truck. But she runs like a top, man, and with no warning lights on the dash and cold air. It's worth more than that. It's worth more than that. I don't know. You guys can comment below and tell me what you think. Most of you will probably disagree with me, but in my personal opinion, I think the thing is worth well over what it brought at auction. Let's move on to the next one. Next on my list, we got a 2016 Cadillac Escalade with 202,000 miles on the odometer. I saw this run through and I thought, man, what a beautiful truck. I'm thinking they were still trying to get like 30 grand out of this, and good night. We'll take a quick look at it. Oh, we got the running boards. It's the Platinum edition as well. Oh man, she's nice. You got the fake wood. It even comes with a Monster energy drink already and wireless phone charging. This is pretty good for 2016, right? The screen, unfortunately, is shattered right there. Let's push to start. Oh, she fired right up. Yes, she did. She's ready. Wow, 202,000 miles. Good Lord. She was well used, man. Well used. Air conditioning, ice cold. It's got heads-up display, of course. Look at all the buttons on the steering wheel there. Love that wireless charging right there in the middle. Oh, it's even got an ice chest. Oh, well, that's not quite as nice as the one I have. But yeah, that's nice, considering, really, it's a 2016. The fact that they even thought of that was pretty cool. But then again, think about this for a minute. The Pontiac Aztek in 03 also had an ice chest in the center console. So not exactly reinventing the wheel here. Let's take a look back here. Oh man, you got the dual screens in the back. Looks like you got another one up here. That's weird. Why would you have three? Yes, okay. So you get 3 screens in the back. Alcantara down here, Alcantara up there, another screen right there. This is very nice. Very nice. I guess to climb through here, you gotta... Okay, I mean, that works. That works. Here's your 3rd row. I'm not gonna lie, I'm impressed. I like it. I like it a lot. This is nice. Looks like it's got decent tires so far. Let's take a look back here, see if this wants to open with the miles. Okay, nice. It should open itself. Very good. Plenty of room back here as well. Yeah, no room under there, but that's fine. Lots of room back here to put your seats down right here as well. Oh, that's 2nd row. There we go. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. Wonder, do they go back up? They do. Got the headphones back there too with the Cadillac. Cadillac logos on them. Very nice. How do you close this? Right here? There we go. Got your tow package. She's a big girl. My Navigator, or I don't have a Navigator. My Jeep Grand Wagoneer, though, at least to me, appears bigger on the interior, for sure. Seems like I got a lot more room in there. Let's see if we can pop this hood. We should have, I didn't pop the hood. Should have a 6.2 under the hood of this bad boy. It's a big, bad 6.2. There it is. Alcantara down here, too. Very nice. If it seems like I'm rushing through some of these today, guys, it really is. Heat index is like 105. It's super hot. Super hot out here today. And I don't want to be out here any longer than I have to. So, oh, spider. Ooh, he's attached to me. Yep, he is attached to me and he's climbing up to my camera. Great. There he is. I don't know if you guys can see him. Where'd he go? There he is right there. Where'd he go? He's right there. You guys see that little dude? That's too hard. There he is right there. This sucker was attached to my camera, man. What is up with you? Hopefully he's good there now. Yeah. I opened the hood and a damn spider hopped out at me. That doesn't happen very often. She purrs like a kitten. Yeah, not gonna lie, she's nice. She's nice. She's real nice. Steering feels good. Brakes feel good. Close that door. Reverse. Backup cam works. Backwards. Forwards. She's right. AC feels real nice too. This is a good one, guys. This is a good one. A little more than I probably would have spent on something with, 200,000 miles on it. But if you're looking for something nice, cheaper than a new one, I did see a new one today, a 2021, I believe, out here, and they were in the 6 figures. It was high. real high. New Escalade, man, over $100,000. No joke. So if you can get this for 30, I guess all in all, that's really not that bad of a deal considering just a few years ago, it was $100,000+ vehicle. Moving on. Last on my list, a cop car, a tourist police car. I saw this, but I didn't have time to stay through the auction and see what it went for. I really wanted this. It's even, I didn't know it had the lights. It's got the lights. Oh, man. Oh, she's beat up pretty good. Wow. Yeah, this thing is rough. This thing is rough. Well, the back lights are on, so they're not police lights. It used to be a police car. Someone else obviously bought it. Sleepy Boy Creations, apparently. And now they're selling it. So probably best I didn't win this. Yeah, she is banged up good, man. This quarter's banged up. The doors are banged up. She's beat up pretty good. But still, there's just something kind of cool about having a cop car, right? I think so. I think so. She's been driven a lot. There's stuff splattered, bugs all over the front, the windshield. Let's take a look at the interior, see what it looks like. She's got some good tires, though. How's it look back here? No cage. Smells all right. Whew. It's hot inside this car, though. Man, yeah, it's warm in here. Seat looks to be in pretty good shape, too. Not bad. You still got the police light up there. LED, that's always cool. Let's fire this thing up. No push to start. You got a key on this one. Engine on. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit there. Let's turn that radio off. Let's turn the air conditioning on. No warning lights. What's the mileage on this one? I didn't see it. 122,000. I guess that's not too bad. This thing had, I wonder if this has the twin turbo EcoBoost, or if this is like that 3.6 naturally aspirated. You got your little light controller here. I would love to turn it off so it doesn't kill the battery, but I don't know how. STB, I guess, is the lighting company. I'm just going to leave the lights alone. I am going to pop the hood. Somebody ran some wires through the door. That's never a good idea. Like never, ever, ever should you run any wires through the door jamb like that. The important window does work. Steering works and feels good. Brakes feel good. I'm going to close the door. Let's put it in gear real quick and see what she does. Reverse. Yep. Drive. Yeah. AC is ice cold. Like, it's super cold. Super, super cold. We'll pop the trunk too. I want to see what's going on back there as well. I already popped the hood. Let's just take a quick peek. I'm not going to close that door all the way, just in case it wants to lock itself up on us. Now, I wish I could figure out how to turn them lights off, man. That's going to kill the battery. Okay, you've got that laptop mount RAM tough tray, so it's still got that. Oh, good Lord. No spare tire. Yeah, she's a rough one, man. She's a rough one. But if you get it for cheap, man, it'd still be a cool car to have, I think. It'd still be fun. Let's see if we can figure out how to open this hood here. Oh, there we go. We'll find out. It's naturally aspirated. She's not the twin turbo, which kind of sucks. I'd prefer to have the twin turbo. Somebody's replaced the coils, as you can see there. Is it a 3.6? I don't know. I'm trying to see the label on here. 3.5. It's a 3.5, but it's the naturally aspirated 3.5. She runs like a top though, man. Seriously. I mean, she's got relatively low miles. She's banged up pretty good, but damn, this is probably a nice one, guys. Yeah, 122,000 miles. Not bad at all. I love that spotlight. That thing is just sick. Well, I'll have to check in the next auction. Maybe it didn't sell. Maybe it didn't meet the reserve, or who knows. But I'd be interested in this, man. I don't know what I'd do with it. I wouldn't do, let's be honest, I wouldn't do anything with it. I'd play with it for a day and then it'd be gone to auction, because that's just how things go with me. This is the last one though. And man, she does run good. It may look rough, but she runs absolutely great. What a car, man. Guys, this is the last one on my list for today. I'll tell you what though, if you look down there, if you look down this way a little bit, Can you see that? Do you know what that is? That down there is my Porsche Panamera. Yep, stay tuned. Well, you may have already seen the video. I don't know. But anyway, we're done. This is the last car. So I am gonna get out of this heat. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. I would truly appreciate it, and consider subscribing to the channel. Till next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.